Have you ever noticed your washing machine shaking violently during the spin cycle? Maybe it bangs against the walls, walks across the floor, or sounds like it's about to take off. While many people immediately blame an unbalanced load, there's another component that often gets overlooked: the washer suspension shocks. These small parts play a huge role in keeping your washing machine stable and quiet. In today's video, we're going to answer some of the most common questions homeowners have. What are washer suspension shocks? Suspension shocks, sometimes called shock absorbers, are designed to control the movement of your washing machine's outer tub during the wash and spin cycles. They're very similar to the shock absorbers on your car. Instead of supporting a vehicle, they absorb the powerful forces created when your washer spins at hundreds or even thousands of revolutions per minute. Most front-load washing machines use 2 or more suspension shocks mounted between the outer tub and the base of the machine. Their job is simple: keep the tub from bouncing around. Without them, the tub would move excessively every time the washer entered the spin cycle. What do suspension shocks do? Think about what's happening inside your washer. Your clothes become saturated with water, making them much heavier than when they went in. During the spin cycle, that heavy load begins rotating at extremely high speeds. Even a small imbalance creates tremendous force. Without suspension shocks, the tub would slam into the cabinet, causing loud banging, excessive vibration, and possible damage to other components. The shocks absorb that movement and keep the tub centered and controlled. Instead of bouncing wildly, the washer spins smoothly and quietly. Why are suspension shocks so important? The suspension shocks don't just make your washer quieter. They also protect many other expensive parts inside the machine. They help protect the outer tub, the inner basket, bearings, motor mounts, drain hoses, electrical wiring, the washer cabinet itself. When shocks wear out, every spin cycle puts extra stress on these components. That's why replacing worn shocks early can prevent much more expensive repairs later. What causes suspension shocks to wear out? Like any moving part, suspension shocks wear down over time. Some common causes include years of normal use, frequently washing oversized loads, running unbalanced loads over and over, or simply age. Eventually, the internal dampening material loses its ability to absorb movement. When that happens, the washer starts bouncing much more than it should. Signs your suspension shocks are failing. Let's go over the most common warning signs. 1. Excessive vibration. This is usually the first symptom. Your washer vibrates much more than it used to. Items sitting on top may begin sliding around. You may even feel the vibration through the floor. 2. Loud banging during spin. If your washer sounds like someone is hitting it with a hammer during the spin cycle, worn suspension shocks are a common cause. The tub begins striking the cabinet because it isn't being controlled properly. 3. The washer walks across the floor. Ever seen a washing machine slowly move across the laundry room? That's often called walking. While an uneven floor can contribute to the problem, worn suspension shocks are frequently the real cause. 4. Tub bounces excessively. With the washer unplugged, gently press down on the inner drum. If it bounces several times before stopping instead of returning smoothly, the shocks may be worn. 5. Clothes are still soaking wet. In some cases, the washer may reduce or cancel the high-speed spin cycle if excessive vibration is detected. That leaves clothes wetter than normal at the end of the cycle. Tatter 6. Visible oil or physical damage. Some suspension shocks contain dampening fluid. If you notice oil leaking from a shock, cracks in the housing, or broken mounting points, it's time for replacement. Can you keep using the washer? Technically, maybe, but it's not recommended. Running a washer with bad suspension shocks puts additional stress on almost every moving component inside the machine. Over time, what starts as a relatively inexpensive repair can lead to broken suspension springs, damaged bearings, cracked outer tubs, loose wiring, or even a damaged motor. The longer it's ignored, the more expensive the repair usually becomes. Can suspension shocks be replaced? Yes. On most washing machines, suspension shocks are replaceable without replacing the entire washer. Because they wear evenly, technicians usually recommend replacing all of the shocks at the same time rather than replacing just one. That keeps the suspension balanced and prevents uneven wear. Can you prevent suspension shock failure? You can't stop them from wearing out forever, but you can help them last longer. Here are a few simple tips. Don't overload your washer. Wash bulky items one at a time when possible. Distribute clothes evenly around the drum. Make sure your washer is level. Address unusual vibration as soon as you notice it instead of waiting months. These simple habits can add years to the life of your washer's suspension system. Washer suspension shocks may not be the first part people think about, but they're one of the biggest reasons your washing machine runs smoothly. If your washer is shaking violently, making loud banging noises, or walking across the floor, worn suspension shocks could be the cause. Catching the problem early can save you from much larger and much more expensive repairs down the road. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, letting us know which appliance part you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.